guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Miriam. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by. So guys, we are in Ghana. I'm here for my holidays. So I'm going to the beach. I'm on my way to the beach. I'm going to Labadi Beach. I'll show you guys when I get there. I'll show you guys around when I get there. So guys, this is Labadi Beach. At the gate, you pay a gate fee. The gate fee is 30 cedi. That should be around 2.5 in Naira. So when you pay the gate fee, you have access to the beach. This is me showing you around the beach. That's the lady calling us to give us a table, because when you enter, you must have a table. Not a must share, but you have to sit down and relax. So I'm showing you guys around. That's people that came to the beach to have some fun, because it's Christmas Day, guys. It's Christmas Day, so they came to have some fun with their families and friends. So in Labadi Beach, every game has the prizes. For horse riding, you have to pay 20 cedi. Yes, that's around 1.5 or 1.8 in Naira. Have to pay 20 cedi for the horse riding, for a bike, for so many activities. This is me having fun in the beach because it's Christmas Day and everyone loves Christmas. Guys, if there's anything I look forward to when going to the beach, is this water. Is this water. I cannot come out of this water. Please, I cannot come out. I so much love it. So you have to enjoy if you see more of it in this video. Okay? So I was at the beach till nightfall. Yes, I was there till nightfall. They started playing loud music, dancing, vibing to it. But let me show you guys. So this is what they sell at, not only this, but this is what they sell at the beach. They call it kebab. The kebab has goat meat, cow meat, that's beef. They have sausage. So it depends on your choice. You order this, they'll get it to your seat. Then you take it with any drink of your choice. Guys, I really had fun in this beach. This is the Ghanaian guys dancing to their song. I hope YouTube doesn't strike me for this, but I'll have to show you guys. This is their lady dancing to their dance, their culture, to the whatever. I really had fun. I had fun, mad fun. And guys, this firework was so beautiful. I have to capture it for you guys. This is me saying Merry Christmas to all of you. Though by the time this vlog will be up, it might be late, but still I wished you guys a merry and a wonderful Christmas. Thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I have a lot of things to post on this my vacation. Please stick to this channel. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.